So a couple closing remarks in regards to VS Pro and planting your vegetation, which is it's always easier to plant light and add stuff later on, especially with like you can raise that density value up, you can lower that sample distance down. There's things you can do in the settings to do this as well across all your biomes. I'll show you that in just a second. But I want to make sure just only do like 1 or 2 holes at this point, okay? No need to go crazy. Let's go through the entire process, just do 1 or 2 holes and let's keep that performance really high. I mean, if you've got 80 frames per second, 90, 100 plus frames per second, great. We can always adjust and add some stuff later on to get you closer to that 30 and really, make things much more lush. And remember, like as you add this, remember in the settings I showed you at the very beginning, oops, I'm sorry, vegetation, we can change that grass density across our entire project by these dials. So like later on, if you want to increase that grass density because you've got some headroom with your frames per second, yeah, you can do it right here rather easily. So, and then in addition to that, you could also just come into your biome, edit if I go into my first biome, I can go into my grasses individually here and change my density here as well to lift those up while I'm watching performance. So lots of different ways you can tweak this, experiment with it, but I would say don't try to boil the ocean. Just do 1 or 2 holes first and get through the entire process. It's really exciting when you play your first hole.